Hello everyone. The main objective of WhatsApp component is to help the customers to track their incoming and outgoing messages. And also we are showing UiPath capabilities, how UiPath will handle these messages without business API. Now we are releasing two components. One is to get the messages from individual members and also from group. The second bot is to send n number of messages to groups and individual members. If you would like to watch the second video, we have given a description. We have given a video link in the description below. Let me open the project folder. This is the project folder of WhatsApp bot. Let me inside the data folder. When we run the bot will generate an output file with new messages. Let me open the config data file. At this time, user need to remember two things. If any user running the bot very first time, users need to fill the config file and which contains contact and time of lot scrapping point. The contact, from which contact user want to scrap the messages and from where user want to scrap the messages. For example, if user want to scrap the messages from the group, which is big step team -RPA, we need to declare the name of the group in below the contact column. And from where, like from if user want to scrap the messages after this particular text, user needs to copy this text and paste it on time of lot scrapping point column. If I run the bot now, bot will scrap all the messages which are after this particular text. Let me close the config file. Let me close the browser. Let me back to this. Let me open the UI Studio. Let's run the bot. You can see that bot has started running and it is opening web.whatsapp page. Make sure you need to scan the code and keep it logged in before running the bot. So I have added the 20 seconds delay to make sure messages loaded successfully. After delay completes, bot will search for the group name which we provided on config file. You can also see that bot has searching for the group name which we provided on config file and it has clicked on the group name. Now bot is searching for the text which we provided on second column of config file. If text not found on the visible page, bot will do a scroll up until the element appears. For example, if text which we provided on column 2 is not found on this page, bot will do a scroll up until the particular text visible. For each scroll up, bot will take 20 to 25 seconds. So we are releasing the first version of WhatsApp component, and also we are releasing the new versions with new implementations. If you have any kind of immediate requirement, you can contact us on our email ID rpa@bigsteptech.com. So I have added an activity called element exist. Bot will wait until that element exists on that page. That element exist contains the text which we providing on the column 2. So you can also see that bot is scrolling up until that particular element appears on the page. So you can see that process has successfully completed. You can also see that output file has generated. Let me open the output file. Users need to remember one key thing. Uh, when we are running the bot very first time, bot will extract 2 to 3 messages from our target message. If you run the bot second time, it will get the data without any issues. On the new messages, it has extracted all the messages until 10:53 p.m. Let's verify it by opening web.whatsapp.com page. So you can see that my last message, which is at 10:53, bot has successfully scrapped all these messages until this point. And let me open the config file too. On the second, as I said earlier, on the second run onwards, bot will automatically update this config file. You can also see that config file has updated with the latest message time. So if I send any new message on the group and if I run the bot needs to scrap the messages after 10:53 p.m. Let's verify it in front of you. I'm sending a new message which is hi everyone. If I run the bot now, bot needs to scrap the messages which are after 10:53 p.m. Let me close the browser. Let me close the config file. Close the output file. Let me delete the previous output file which bot has generated. Let's run the bot. So I just send a new message in front of you to show you how bot is working. So I can proudly say that UiPath has capability of handling all the messages without any business API. So as I said, we are releasing 2 components. The second component video link was provided in the description below. So you can see that what is running and it is scrapping all the messages from the visible page, and also you can see that bot has scrapped all the messages and the process has successfully completed. Let's open the output file and see that bot has scrapped all the messages, and let me open the new messages. You can see that bot has scrapped the message which is after 10:58. Let's verify it by opening web.whatsapp.com page. Let me open the group name. So you can see that my last message, which is at 11:07 p.m. the bot has scrapped, and let me open the config file to verify bot has updated that with the latest message time or not. You can also see that bot has updated this uh, column with our last target message time. So With this, I can proudly say that UiPath has capability of handling all the messages without any business APIs. Uh, if you have any kind of immediate requirement on WhatsApp bot, you can contact us on our email ID rpa@bigsteptech.com. And also, we at Big Step offering test automation, automation of WhatsApp messaging, mobile automation, automating chatbot responses using RPA, automation, design, and optimization. If anybody want any kind of services, please reach out us at rpa@bigsteptech.com. If anyone facing issue with this WhatsApp bot, please raise your questions, and if you like it, please provide your valuable feedback. Thank you.